Good morning, dear student. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So today topic is anti-arrhythmic drugs. Okay. Do you have any idea what is anti-arrhythmic drugs? You know what is arrhythmia? Arrhythmia is an abnormality of the rate, rhythm, or sites of origin of the cardiac impulses, or an abnormality in the impulses of the conductions. Whenever any arrhythmic, any rhythm disturbance in rhythm, the time um, we can say this is arrhythmic. Okay, the word dysarrhythmia is also used by someone like cardiac arrhythmias may be due to abnormal generation or conduction of impulses. Some factors influence the arrhythmic like myocardial hypoxia, myocardial ischemia, and electrolyte disturbance. Whenever electrolyte is disturbance in the time also arrhythmic rhythm is also disturbed. Okay, myocardial ischemia and electrolyte imbalance, trauma, drug autonomicity, and drug toxicity at the time arrhythmic symptom will be arises. Next, we will see introduction. Arrhythmia is an abnormality of the rate, rhythm, or sites of origin of the cardiac impulses, or an abnormality in the impulses of conduction. Already we have discussed whenever the disturb in arrhythmic and disturb in rhythm, the time arrhythmia should be arrival. Okay, next one is types of arrhythmia. There are arrhythmia may be it may be tachycardia, tachyarrhythmias, bradyarrhythmias, and digital includes arrhythmias based on its sites impulses of origin. They may be grouped as a supraventricular like sino-arterial nodes, AV nodes, arterioventricular nodes. Okay, or ventricular arrhythmias. In ventricular arrhythmias are a common cause of death. Sometimes it will be occur death, particularly suddenly it should be that will be arise. Okay, next classification based on cardiac cycle, like Vagan Wilson classified arrhythmia as a following. Okay, first one is class 1 sodium channel blockers. Sodium channel blockers, first A, prolonged repolarizations. It's arise the repolarized PQ complex is disturbed. Okay, and it's come out repolarizations like quinidine, paraquinidamine, and disperamide. Okay, and morphine. Next, B is certain repolarizations. First drug is lignocaine and mexiletine and phenotine. Next is C, little effect on repolarizations. C is it affect like a little effect of whenever repolarization, the time it affect little. And first drug is incadenide. Okay, next one is flecainide, and last one is propafenone. ठीक है, next one is class second we will see first beta adrenergic blockers. First one is propranolol and esmolol, acebutolol. Okay, his three drugs are beta blockers, adrenergic drugs. Next, third class is potassium channel blockers. First potassium channel blockers amlodipine, second is sotalol, and last one is breathalium. Okay, next one is class 4 is this calcium channel blockers. First one, calcium channel blockers is improve the arrhythmias rhythm rate of the arrhythmias. First one is verapamil and diltiazem. Both are the calcium channel blockers. Next last one is MOA, that all the drugs classic 1 blockers the channel sodium channels and prevent the inward movement of the sodium ion. The sodium channels exit in 3 stage: first, resting open and inactivated stage. Sodium channel blockers bind sodium channels in the open and inactivated state and thus interfere with depolarizations. Next is we will discuss sodium channel blockers. First, sodium channel blockers, quinidine. Quinidine is a D-isomer of quinidine obtained from the cinchona break. Okay, it's obtained from obtained cinchona break, and by blocking sodium channels, it's depress all the cardiac properties, automaticity, and excitability, conduction, velocity, and prolonged repolarizations. Thus, has membrane stabilized activities. For example, it inhibits and propagation of the action of potential. It is also vagolytic and alpha blocking properties. It is also a supra SMR. Okay. Next one is pharmacokinetics action. First, given orally quinidine, okay, 90% of bound to plasma protein. 90% it should be bound with plasma protein. Next, metabolize in liver. When the plasma protein is bound, after that metabolization in the liver, it drugs metabolize into the liver. After last stage is metabolize, and after that it excrete through the urine. Okay. Next, AE and drug interactions. AE means adverse effect and drug interactions. Quinidine itself can cause arrhythmias and heart block. Okay. Next, hypotensions, like first adverse effect is hypotension. Whenever arrhythmias will be occur, the adverse effect of these drug quinidine is hypotension. The time patient BP is sometime low. Okay. Next is diarrhea. Some patients suffer from diarrhea because of whenever he take quinidine, the time it suffer diarrhea. Okay. Next is nausea. Nausea is common. Nausea vomiting is common symptom whenever a patient take any drugs, like any drugs. Okay, the time nausea vomiting is a adverse effect. And hypersensitivity. Some drugs very hard. The time patient have hypersensitivity. And thrombocytopenia. Thrombocytopenia, that means deficiency of platelet in the blood. Whenever deficiency in platelet in the blood, this cause bleeding into the tissue, the bruising and slow blood clotting after injury. Whenever any injury in the tissue, the time the clotting factor is very slow after the injury. It may cause the deficiency of platelet in the blood. Okay, that is called thrombocytopenia. Next one is bone marrow depression. You know, more time it is a examinations, bone marrow examinations. Okay, bone marrow depression. What is this? Bone marrow depression is a laboratory finding. It indicate decrease the number of hematopoietic cells in the bone marrow. Okay. Next one is hepatitis. You all know what is hepatitis. Okay. Next is higher dose can cause the synchronism like quinidine. Okay. That synchronism, it is a pathological condition caused by overdose of quinidine. Whenever we take overdose of the quinidine, the time it will be occur. It is a natural source of synchronin break. Okay, it is a common source of the synchronism quinidine. It is mostly medically used for treat the, sometimes it's treat the malaria. Okay. Next one is drug interactions. Drug interactions is a microsomal enzyme inhibitors. It reduces the conversion of the guanidine to morphine, and there is by decrease its allergic efficiency. Whenever it will be, we will take the guanidine, the time this interaction will be occur and decrease the morphine analgesic efficiency. Next one is microsomal enzyme induced like phenotine and phenobarbital. It enhances the metabolism and guanidine resulting in the therapeutic failure. Whenever it work, that time sometime it's affect the all organ of the body like kidney and heart. The time its therapeutic failure will be occur. Next one is guanidine is a microsomal enzyme inhibitors. It rise the plasma level and reduce the conversion of guanidine morphine, thereby decrease the allergic efficiency. Guanidine is reduce the clearance and digoxins, thereby preparation of digoxin toxicity. It reduce the digoxin toxicity also. Next one is procanidamide. Okay, procanidamide, it is a derivative of the local anesthetic. Procaine has adverse effect of guanidine. That is not a alpha blocker. It is better tolerate than guanidine. It cause like nausea, vomiting, arrhythmias, or increase the heart rate and hypertension, retention of lymph nodes, and it cause the hypotension and heart block sometime. Okay, next one is disperamide. Disperamide is an anticholinergic property which is responsible for adverse effect like dry mouth, blurred vision, constipations, and urinary retention. Whenever patient have take the disperamide, that the time the adverse effect will be occur like dryness of mouth, constipations, and urinary retention. Uses class first A are useful in almost all the types of arrhythmias. They are useful in arterial fibrillations and ventricular arrhythmias. Arterial filters. Next, class first B drugs. Class first B drugs blocks the sodium channel also, and it is shorten the repolarizations. Next is lignocaine. Lignocaine is suppresses the electrical activity of the arrhythmogenic tissue, while normal tissue are not much effective. Whenever the tissue are not affected, the time the lignocaine give orally. Lignocaine undergoes high fast metabolism, and it has sorted one sort half teaspoon hints used to parentally. Okay, it may cause drowsiness, hypotension, brain vision, confusion, convulsion. Sometimes convulsion will be occur. It used to treat of ventricular arrhythmias. Whenever ventricular arrhythmias is occur, the time we should give the lignocaine to the patient to relax the rate of heart. Next, especially that caused by acute myocardial infarction and open the heart surgery. Whenever the heart surgery will be in process, the time we should also give the lignocaine. It relieve. It is also a pain reliever. Next, class first B drugs. Phenytoin is an anti-epileptic and also use the ventricular arrhythmias and digitalis. Induce the arrhythmias. Okay, next class first C drugs. It inquinidine and fluokinonide are used of most potent sodium channel blockers because of rise of cardiac arrest, sudden death, and its adverse effect is they are not commonly used, but its adverse effect is hypotension, vomiting, nausea, and cardiac imbalance, cardiac arrhythmias. Okay, next is class first drugs. Beta blockers like propranolol exert arithmetic effect due to blockage of cardiac beta receptors. They depress and myocardial contractility of the heart and automaticity of conduction velocities. It effect of directly affect the myocardial layer of the heart. Okay. Next is propranolol. Propranolol and cardioselective beta blockers like atenolol and metoprolol are used to treatment of prevention of supraventricular arrhythmias, especially those associated with the exercises, emotion, and hypothyroidism. Next is classification 111 drugs. Pharmacokinetics. It has complex pharmacokinetics properties. So, slow onset of action 2 to 3 days to several days, and after that, one half may range of week to the month, and after that, it metabolize in liver, and last one excrete in the biliary route. Classification 1 drugs adverse effect. It can cause various adverse effects including cardiac and extracardiac effect. Cardiac effect is first heart block, second cardiac failure. Whenever heart block, the time suddenly cardiac arrest will be occur, and QT prolongations, hypotension. QT means whenever PQRSQ and T complex will be occur, the time Q and T is repolarized. ECE, effect of adverse effect of cardiacs, and first is nausea, GI disturbance, and hepatitis, pulmonary fibrosis, bluish discoloration of the skin, whole skin is bluishness, and peripheral neuropathy. Neuropathy is a main symptoms. First, hip muscles weakness. The backside muscles is weakened. It can cause the hypothyroidism. Okay. Next is class 4 drugs. Verapamil. It used to terminate proximal supraventricular tachycardia. It used to terminate proximal supraventricular tachycardia. It's treat the supraventricular tachycardia. Whenever supraventricular rate is high, at the time tachycardia, at that time it's used. We should use the verapamil, and it improves the rate of arterial fibrillations because it depresses the arterioventricular nodal conductions. Okay. Next is drug interaction. Whenever we give the verapamil to the patient, that time drug interaction will be. What are the drug interaction will be occur? It depletes the digoxins from the tissue, blinding sites, and also reduce its renal clearance. It resulting the digoxins toxicity. Okay. Next one is other arrhythmias. Other arrhythmias is adenosines, atropine, digoxins, and magnesium sulfate also have arrhythmic properties. First, adenosine. Adenosine is it have rapid and short arrhythmic actions given orally, suppress automaticity, arterioventricular conduction, and dilate the coronary. When the coronary artery is dilated, the time improve the blood supply and its work properly. It is the drug of choice for ESVT, proximal parasupraventricular tachycardia. Okay. Next, we should give the atropine to the patient. It used to sinus bradycardia. Whenever patient have any sinus bradycardia, that time we should provide the patient atropine. Atropine it act by blocking the M2 receptor. Whenever it block the M2 receptor, after that it actively work and improve the sinus bradycardia, and it the blood supply is properly. Next, other arrhythmic. First, disjections. Disjections is depress the arterioventricular conductions. It reduce the heart rate and increase the force of contraction of the myocardium of the heart. Next is magnesium sulfate. Whenever we should give the patient magnesium sulfate, it used to treat the digitalis included arrhythmias. Any arrhythmias will be occur, we should give the magnesium sulfate and it's improve the arrhythmic. This is finish this topic. Okay, if you have any doubt, you ask me.